Installing Superflow with Angular is really easy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Superflow on an Angular.js app. First, go to the onboarding flow and click Install Code Snippet yourself. Next, because we're setting up an Angular app, click npm. After that, enter the URL where we'll be deploying our Angular app. Also, be sure to add localhost as an additional staging environment. We'll now have a couple of instructions that we'll need to follow. I'm going to open up VS Code where I have a fresh Angular app loaded. I'm now going to be going to the instructions and I'm going to copy the first code snippet, which is to install the Superflow package. Next, I'm going to be going to my terminal and I'm just going to paste that in to install Superflow to my project. After that, I'm going to copy the second code snippet, which is to import Superflow to the root level of my app. In my Angular project, the root of the app is at main.ts, and I'm going to be pasting the import code right at the top under the imports. Lastly, I'm going to be copying the initialization code. Then I'm going to be going back to my code and pasting that right below that import I just pasted earlier. And that's it. That's all you have to do to get an Angular app set up. So now if I save and type ngserve, I can now go open my browser at localhost 4200 to see my live Angular app. You'll also notice that the Superflow toolbar is embedded in the corner. Make sure that you have view equals true at the top of the URL, otherwise the Superflow toolbar will not appear. So now that Superflow is installed, what can we do? Well, first, we can leave a comment on any elements in the page. We can also highlight some text to leave a comment that way. And lastly, we can draw a box around any element in the page and leave a comment around that box as well. And that is how you install Superflow with Angular.